To make rabbit soup you will first need to gather your ingredients: rabbit meat, vegetables of your choice such as carrots, onions, and celery, herbs and spices like bay leaves, thyme, and salt, and chicken or vegetable broth. Start by seasoning and browning the rabbit meat in a pot with a little bit of oil. Then remove the meat and sauté the vegetables until they become tender. Next, add the rabbit meat back to the pot along with the herbs and spices. Pour in enough broth to cover the ingredients and bring the soup to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let the soup simmer for about an hour or until the rabbit meat is cooked through and tender. Skim off any foam or impurities that may rise to the surface while simmering. Finally, taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if needed. Serve hot and enjoy a comforting bowl of rabbit soup.